Phil, Fire Wrench Garage here. We're going to get started working on the Mustang today. I'm going to start tearing all the parts off to get it ready for its complete makeover. So I'm going to start by pulling out the taillights, get the rear spoiler off. There's some rockers down here that are going to get taken off. And then I'm going to rip out the whole interior of this because I'm replacing that as well. Alright, got the side skirts off, got the front seats out, rear tail lights, and license plate lights, the fake Cobra third brake light, and the wing. Got that all taken off. One thing I did find when I was taking the lights out, I was wondering, well, why doesn't this rear tail light fit in there right? Well, this car, if you look there, you can see that nice big crease. Yeah, this car has been smacked. And I knew that it didn't smacked up here, you know, because this was broke and missing. That was something I put on there. And I knew this part. But back here, if you look at it, it doesn't even look like anything's really wrong. I did notice the bumper, you know, doesn't quite sit right on there, but, you know, maybe somebody just didn't put it on there right. But you can kind of see there's a gap. This should be much wider. If you look on this side, that's what it should look like. And that's what it looks like. So I'm going to have to do a little body work there to get that back into shape so everything fits nice. And then, of course, I got the front seats out. And it's just as nasty as I thought it probably would be. But I'm going to keep pulling things out. I'm going to get those rear seats out. Get the all the moldings and stuff off. And kick panels and stuff like that out. And then I can pull that nasty carpet and some of the dash stuff apart. Alright, so I've got the interior completely stripped out. Got the back seats out. All the trim. Except for the front part, of course. Got all the carpet out. Pretty dang nasty. There was a mouse that got in here, so I had to eradicate those first. But everything is stripped out as much as I'm going to take out of the interior for now anyway. I may have to pull the dash at some point, but I'm going to go ahead and get started on the front side. Getting the plastic piece there off, and then start disconnecting some of the engine stuff so I can get that pulled out. I want to pull it out the bottom on the K-member, so it's going to take me a little bit, but that's where I'm doing next. Alright, so I've gotten more done since the last time I checked in. I got all of the electrical connectors, belts taken off, all the hoses taken off, disconnected the air conditioner. That, of course, that wasn't charged. It's been sitting for so many years that it's lost its charge. Got all the other electrical connections taken off. So on the top side, everything is off that needs to be off, so I can drop this down through the bottom. So the next thing, I put it up on my quick jacks so I can get up underneath the car and unbolt the transmission and the engine, and then I'll set it back down, get everything finally loosened up, and then I should be able to just drop that engine down through the bottom once I get the K-member off. So that's where I'm at. Once I get everything done on the bottom side, I will show you the process of getting this pulled out through the bottom. I'm still going to take out, this car is not going to have AC. It's going to be more of a high performance type thing, so I am going to take out the AC condenser. All it needs is the radiator in there. I see there's some nice little smashing spots where something ran into it there. This is smashed as well. The fender is not quite on there, but everything's going to have to be taken apart and cleaned up and dents knocked out of it and everything like that. So pretty good progress on the day. But that's where I'm going to end it for the day. But I will come back and show you tomorrow getting everything bolted out, unbolted underneath, and ready to drop this engine and transmission out. And then we can start getting everything cleaned up and go from there.